Hello, welcome to Math 1324. This is Chapter 10, Section 1, Example 9. Yeah, I was just confused by what I have written down here. That's weird. Anyway, let, not left, let f of x equal 8x squared minus 4 to find the following. F of t plus 1. Come on now. No one will ever know. Okay, so here's the thing. I want to talk about this real quick. Here's your function defined here. Previously, in the last example, you saw a graph, and we were able to just find, let's say, f of negative 2 from the graph, right? Well, we can do that using the definition here as well. What we could do is we could take whatever value is here and plug it in for x. And what I would do at that point is say 8 times, parentheses, negative 2, close parentheses, squared minus 4. So literally, whatever is here becomes here. Okay. Same thing as here. Whatever's here becomes here. And then you would just simplify to get what you need. Negative 2 squared first, because exponents happen first. Negative 2 squared means positive 4, which would mean 8 times positive 4 minus 4. Then we must do multiplication first, which would mean 32 minus 4, and 32 minus 4, of course, would give me 28. So that would mean that f of negative 2 is equal to 28. Now this is just kind of a note. That's not how we solve this particular question. Well, it is, but it's not. And whenever I tell you that whatever's here goes in for x, I literally mean that. Well, I would hope I would literally mean that. Otherwise, why would I say it? Anyway, whatever is in this parentheses is what's going to be replacing the x. So what we need to do here is, if we want to find f of t plus 1, we need to replace the x with t plus 1. So this would be 8, and then parentheses, whatever is right here, t plus 1, close parentheses, squared minus 4. Notice that this x just became that entire t plus 1. And then simplify. So this is going to give you 8 parentheses. Now, t plus 1 squared. There is a formula that you're going to want to know. A plus b squared is a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. Okay, this is just the square of a binomial. It's going to happen a lot. You're going to want to know this. You can FOIL this out if you want. T plus 1 times t plus 1, distribute the t, distribute the 1, combine like terms. Not a lot of fun. There's a quicker way. My recommendation is to do this. Take this and square it. T squared is just t squared. Leave some space, and then at the end do plus 1 squared is positive 1 squared, or just 1. So the question becomes, what goes here? Well, notice it's 2 times a times b. In other words, I need to multiply the t and the 1 together. What's t times 1? Well, it's t. And then we need to take this and put the 2 in front. In other words, double the coefficient. Makes that positive 2t. There we go. So this is 8 times the t plus 1 squared, which is t squared plus 2t plus 1. And then don't forget that minus 4. And then you just simplify. Distribute the 8, which gives me 8t squared plus 16t plus 8 minus 4. And then just combine like terms. That's going to give me 8t squared plus 16t plus 4, because the 8 and the 4 are like terms and the others don't have any like terms. And that means that f of t plus 1 is going to be equal to 8t squared plus 16t plus 4. And the interesting thing about this is that what goes in here doesn't necessarily have to be a number. In fact, often it won't be. Okay, so just one of the things to kind of get used to. Alrighty. Well, I hope that helps. I'll see you all in the next video. Have fun.